Hey guys, this is Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to it, and obviously more revenue to your business. So first off, I was unable to find your website. Apparently you don't have one, or it's not linked on here, and that's okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up some of your competitors, and I'm gonna use their website as an example of what to do and what not to do, and kind of go over what we can do for you to help bring in some more traffic if you were to generate if you were to get a website. So the first thing I did was I looked up home remodeling in Durham, North Carolina, and these guys right here are ranked number 1 in the Google Map Pack. And so I pulled up their website, and you can see right here, this is their website. So one of the things we want to focus on first is content. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images, and it's 1,500 words minimum on your homepage. And within that content, we want to put these high volume keyword searches that people are looking for, and we want to make sure that it's in bolded and highlighted and interlinked between our service page. So you can see right here that that is not what's going on their homepage. They don't have much content. They have it's almost like a a gallery, and then they have a little bit of stuff in here. And then the second thing we want to focus on is making sure that our pictures are saved the right way. So even though this is a picture of whoever works there, we want to make sure that this is saved as a keyword search that people are searching for. You know, this one right here, same thing. I want to make sure that, so this one's home remodels, renovations, builders in Raleigh, North Carolina. But we also want to make sure that we have our phone number, address, and business name inside that text too. So it's a pretty long description, but we want to make sure that these pictures are saved the proper way. So with that being said, we want to make sure that these keywords are in our content. So what we could do is I can go check out some of their keywords. So these guys have 4,000 keywords they're being found for. Probably about 90% of them aren't worth the crap. So with this being said, let's see if we can find some keywords that we would want on our website. So we want to look for those keyword searches that people are looking for. Home remodeling Durham, North Carolina has 80 searches a month with a KD of 0. So that would be one. You know what? I'll make this easy on me. Durham. So we got 60 keywords. So you can see right here, home remodeling, renovation companies, remodeling companies. Right here, you know, we're looking at 170 searches just right there. Here's another 80. Basement finishing, basement remodel, bathroom remodel, remodeling services. So you can see the volume right here in the KD for these, which is very, very low. Granite countertops, 150 searches. Home builders, 100. Home builders, 250. General contractors, 250. So y'all have a lot of keywords to be found for in Durham, and you have a very low KD. Like this, these keywords would be really good to put on your website, bold and highlight, interlink between some of your service pages, and get found for. I also noticed that these guys are found in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm not sure if you are either. Raleigh. But we could, you know, you can have multiple service areas, and we can find the keywords associated with those. So here's another competitor. These are ranked number 1 website. So we're going to pull up their website, and we're going to see what kind of keywords they have. So they got 811 keywords, and I'm pretty sure they're going to have pretty much the same keywords. 24 keywords. Okay, so you can see right here that these guys have pretty much the same keywords. The other guys had a little bit more, but for the most part, we want to make sure that we get these keywords. Look at the volume with the KD right here. This is really, really good right here. So ranking these in these keywords would be really good. So these guys are ranking pretty high for these keywords. So we would definitely have to go after these words in particular. So The second way is with backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is basically anywhere your one website refers to another website, and Google looks at this to see if your website is trustworthy. So the more trust Google has, the higher it's going to rank your website. And these backlinks, they come from referring domains, so if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. So I can pull up these guys, backlinks, and we can see what they got. So you can see how much traffic it's bringing them. These are all no follows, and for the most part, I would almost bet that these are citations. So this is a web design blog. Let's go check it out. So you can see right here that they have a blog, probably a guest post or something about their business in this website. Okay, let's get out of it. Box images. So most of these are probably blogs. Okay. So a lot of these are blogs, but you can see right here, let's go to referring domains. And for the most part, they're not very powerful. Okay, so you can see a lot of these right here are citations. Yellow pages, logo pages, super pages, decks, arrow leads, and so forth. So a lot of these are citations. So this would be really easy to outrank these guys. And let's go look at their overview. So the overview of the website is a 21 and a 7. They're getting 219 traffic a month, and this is what the trust Google has in the 21 and the 7. So we want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio. So the more this is closer this is to a 1-to-1 ratio, the higher we can rank your website. So these guys would be really easy to beat. Let's go check out these guys. These guys were ranking number 1 in the Google Business Map Pack, and these have a 33 and a 21. So these guys would probably be a little more competitive to beat. But again, I can just go check out the referring domains and backlinks, and what I would do is just go out and see what they have and then beat them by at least 100, and whether it's citations, whether it's backlinks, referring domains, whatever it is, and I'm going to get better ones as we go and do that. So to beat these guys really wouldn't be hard. It might just take a little bit longer because they have so many, but we could definitely beat these guys, and a lot of these probably aren't very good anyways. They probably just have a few that are really helping them out the most. And you can see right here that this one's probably a good one. Yeah, so they've got some that are pretty good, but definitely be easy to outrank these guys. So the third way is with citations. So a citation is basically anywhere your business name or number appear in registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting to the top 3 of the Google Map Pack. So obviously this is the Google Map Pack right here. We want to make sure that you are ranking right here. And this is where about 70% of all your clicks and calls are going to come from. So if we can get your Google Business Profile ranking to the top, your website could be, ranking behind. But if we can rank your Google Business Profile faster, it's a lot easier to rank a Google Business Profile. If we can rank that as fast as we can, and your website's attached to it, so people are going to go to your website anyways. And then we're slowly ranking your website as we go. And then you could have the top spot here, and then you could have the top spot here like they do. So and then these guys right here. So 70%, and then you're getting the top 20% of all the clicks right here. So you're getting majority of the calls and clicks. This is where you want to be right here. And how we get there is with citations. So the more citations, the better, and it's like a popularity contest for Google. The more times you could be found on Google, the higher they're going to rank your Google Business Profile. Also, they like reviews. We want plenty of 5-star reviews. If we can have posts, we want some posts, at least 5 to 10 a month. And then we want to have plenty of pictures, and we want to save these pictures the proper way. So with that being said, you do all that together, and your Google Business Profile can rank, and you can bring in a lot more clients and get the calls coming in a lot faster. Also, we can run Google Ads, and you would have a top spot. You could have a top spot up here for an ad. You could have your Google Business Profile here, and then have the #1 spot in Google. and you would have the top 3 spots, and you would really dominate in the local area. So with that being said, man, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to sit down with you and help you any way I can. So with that being said, I appreciate your time. Appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good day. Thanks.